Hello everybody, welcome to the tutorials programming channel. And yeah, so now I just wanted to make a tutorial on how to install duckduckgo on your Windows 10 on any Windows platforms like such as Windows XP, Windows 7 and many more Windows platforms like Windows 1, Windows 2. Alright, let's get started. Duck. So with this link right here, I will put this link in the description. And it says here, oh, well, I cannot download the main software here. It says in this sign says this download is no longer available. This could be due to the program being discontinued, having a security issue, or for some other reason. You can download these alternatives. So here is another option to download DuckDuckGo. Choose this one. No thanks. Okay, let me see if it's in downloads. Nope, not here. Alright, and here you go. Here is DuckDuckGo. Okay, all I want to say about this application DuckDuckGo is it's conservative, and also it protects your privacy. It basically protects your privacy. This website here, and it says search the web without being tracked. Okay, let's try to search a web without being tracked. DuckDuckGo blocks Google. It blocks things that you can be tracked, that it can show the history of the images and the websites you opened. Let's search one thing here. Let's search like here's an example. Let's search for let's try searching this. All right. Now let's go back. Okay. So here there is no history section, that it doesn't show the stuff that you bought, that you searched, like such as images or websites. Yeah, it doesn't search anything of that. Yeah. So DuckDuckGo is recommendable for anyone.